Whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3. Hi, my name is Brooke, and I am making tomato soup, and I have an announcement. I got Girl Scout cookies. If you want some Girl Scout cookies from me, give me your email, and I will give you the link. $5 each, 1 box. Let's get cooking. I am 8 years old now. My birthday was December 15th. Okay, let's get to the tomato soup. Okay, first you do put all the onions in, right?
Nope, first you gotta put the butter in.
What the?
Gotta get the butter melted.
Really? The whole butter?
Yeah.
Sick.
Alright, and then you're gonna melt it.
Done it. Doing the tomato soup dance, break dance. And I got some 6 top secret chefs. Ouch. Oven. I'm going to get them on my finger since they're keychains.
Alright, as long as you don't get them in the soup.
I know. They're called. They're the My Little Ponies. I call them little ones because they got their little keychain, My Little Pony. They're the main 6. They have a power called Little One Power. So, looks like the butter's almost melted.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you stir it around a little bit with the tongs?
All right. Time for the tongs.
You take the whole stick of butter. Yep.
This looks like a melty butter stew, which is actually going to be. Hey, let me try. All right, Rainbow Dash. You know her from the other episode. I showed her because they are the top secret chefs. Rainbow Dash is doing a great job. This is a hot job. Yeah, right. Yeah, I know it's a hot soup. I like tomato soup because it has tomatoes in it. And guess what? My favorite thing to drink? Silk milk. And every time once I get on the plane, I get this. Dun, 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 tomato juice. Because it's so delicious. It's in this recipe. Look over there, fans. All right. The butter's almost melted. With some smash it. Now tell me,
Put the onions in.
Put the onions in. I like onions. Oh man, time to put the whole batch of onions in.
Mm-hmm.
All the onions. Don't chop. If you chop up an onion, guess what? You'll get onion tears, which is called Let me get this onion in. Alright. Let me put you down. I'm thinking that's all the onions, guys.
Alright, stir them around.
Oh yeah.
Whichever one you want to use.
Tongs. And to get this onion nice and good. And great.
So what does the onion need to look like to know that we're ready for the next step?
Brownish.
Yes, brownish and translucent.
Ooh, this is hot.
Yeah. Do you want a different spoon to stir?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put the tongs.
Here.
Let me get this onion off. Put the tongs down. Now I got soup spatula. Alright, this will taste delicious. This is actually my real voice. I was just using a weird voice. But I love cooking and I love playing video games. My Christmas was awesome and I got to, on New Year's Eve, stay up very late and watch the ball drop all the way with my cousins. They're great cousins. just 5 minutes away now. And they have a basement in their house, and I want a basement in my next house with 2 floors above it, and so I can have, yeah. I said this is ready, Mom. It looks ready.
Just a little bit more.
Oh, fine. That much?
No. You want to look ahead to what your next step is while we're waiting for him to finish browning?
Oh, yeah.
What does it say to do next?
Oh, 6 teaspoons. We already did butter.
Yeah, so what's next?
Oh, they're all ready.
Almost.
One more stir.
No, it doesn't have to do with stirring, honey. They just got to cook down a little bit. Otherwise, they're going to be too tangy in the soup.
Can I please put this spoon down?
Yeah.
Hot, hot.
Yeah, don't touch that.
That's hot.
Yep.
Okay, now we need. That's tomato. Cool.
Diced
2, 1,
tomatoes.
14.5 ounces. Oh, diced tomato. The whole thing, right?
Yep, the whole thing.
The whole diced tomato can?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, ton.
I only had one, so we're substituting this.
Okay.
Oops. I think we gotta let these onions cook just a smidgy more. So if you want to put that down.
At least I got some tomatoes on my hand. Delicious. Tomatoes are delicious. I can't lie. Okay, it looks like they're almost ready.
You want to tell another story while we're waiting for those to finish?
What story?
I don't know.
I don't know what story. About
What's your favorite video game?
I forgot it. Oh, good.
You forgot your favorite video game.
But I have 3 favorite video games I play. Luigi's Mansion 3 and Super Mario Maker 2, and I can't remember the other one. Oh yeah, I remember it. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe.
Awesome.
And my favorite board game to play is Clue.
Clue's awesome.
Yeah, because it's very good. Because I'm super smart, and sometimes my dad messes me up.
Yeah, that one time he wasn't paying enough attention.
Yeah, he was like...
All right, let's give these another stir real quick so they don't brown too
Oh,
much.
one more?
Yeah, just a little bit more stirring.
Like that? Is that enough? A little bit?
I like them cooked down just a little bit more. They're almost there, though. Almost there.
Can I please take the spoon out again?
Yep.
Perfect. Let's wait them to turn brown. Hey, look, Mom, it's almost ready.
Should be.
Time to put these tomatoes in.
Yeah, they're ready. We're getting that smell.
Oh, looks like Pinkie.
All right, let's get all the other ingredients in.
Looks like Pinkie Pie's. It looks like Pinkie Pie wants to peek.
All right, dump the whole thing in, right?
Oh, yeah! Oh, it's boiling! Ah!
All right, what's the next step?
Pinkie Pie can read it. Ooh, 6 tablespoons of sugar!
I think you missed something. I think we got to add something else first.
Tomato juice?
Yeah. Do you need help with that part?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Need help. Well, you can watch me while my mom does this. Well, at least you can give me the camera.
They can see your forehead right now.
Oh. I'm super.
All right, let's see.
Once again,
We're going to pour most of this in.
or Rainbow Dash. Alright, 1 second. Fluttershy. Let me see. Are you ready? Oh, yeah.
All right.
Alright, Verity, time to pour in some delicious sugar.
Yep.
Donut. We need a free 6 tablespoons.
Okay. Let's measure it out in one of the bowls, honey.
Which
See?
bowl?
This bowl right here. Okay. All right, then give it a stir.
Alright, I love snake. Is it this much? Is great at stirring?
You gotta do a little bit more.
One more stir?
A little bit more.
This much? Stirring.
Sure. All right, what does it say to do next?
Twilight, your turn. Oh! 1 or 2 tablespoons of chicken. Base or free chicken. Bought to cube.
Okay, so that's this. Everything that's in this jar is what you're gonna put in. Okay. So just scrape every little bit out and then get it in.
Like this?
Yep, all of it.
Like,
Don't lick it.
put it in?
Yep. And you may have to put it all the way into the soup to get it to come off.
Just shake it. Or maybe just go like...
Oh, you know what? Use your tongs to scrape it out.
Ooh.
Why don't you put your pony down?
You mean Twilight?
Yeah.
Okay, Tom. Amen. Some tongs would work. I'll have to clean this off after
Yeah, just put the tongs in the sauce.
the sauce.
In the soup.
Ah, hot. To wash it off. Can you please help?
Here's my secret way to do this. You just stir it in there.
Can I please put this in the soup?
Yep.
Ah, looks like it's not coming off.
Yeah, not quite. All right, we're gonna pause momentarily to deal with this.
Okay, we're putting in the pepper. This is enough.
Yeah, probably.
I just smelled it.
All right, so give it a stir. It's starting to heat up. Give it a stir.
It's hot thing. It looks like a red galaxy.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it almost looks like Mars, the red planet.
You think so?
Yeah, it does, because Mars was red. And some astronauts are still finding life on there.
You sure that's not? Oh, no, that is Mars. I was thinking Mercury was what we were talking about. Because I think the red tomato looks like Mercury.
The red tomato is actually Mars because it's the red planet. Mercury, Mars is right next to Earth.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Right next to that toy belt too. I heart outer space because I like science.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get this onion inside the soup. This is enough stirring.
Sure.
Yep.
So now
Can I please?
we let it heat up,
For how
and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients.
What's going on? Pause. Okay, we're back. Okay, we went on to pause. Okay,
What do we do during the pause? What do we do with the soup?
we gave it a stir and it boiled.
Yep, right to a boil, right? And then
Yep.
turn it off.
We did.
Mhm.
And now what do we add next?
We're gonna add milk and sherry.
Hey, you're gonna add my favorite milk. Is it silk milk? I like silk milk.
No, once this is cooked, you'll be able to eat it. You just can't have it when it's raw.
Okay,
So it'll be heated up enough.
can I please put it in now?
Yep, you can pour all the milk and sherry in.
You don't forget heavy whipped.
Yep, that's the heavy whipping cream is the milk. All right, so pour it in all the way. There you go.
Mhm. The little ones use their power to do it.
Awesome. All right, and you're gonna take that sherry.
Pour it in.
Yeah, and that'll
All
give
of
it
it?
a really nice flavor.
All of it?
Yep, whole thing.
Now time to stir.
And stir it up.
And then the soup will be completed. Ooh, this looks like a gal. This looks like really like Jupiter, my mom's favorite planet.
Why is it my favorite planet?
Because it's big.
No, because of the symphony song.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I remember.
Remember I played that for you the other day?
Yeah, I like Saturn because of its beautiful rings.
It's a good reason.
Yeah, because it's made of ice and rock. And it's the sixth planet. Yeah, it is.
I don't know. You think it's ready for a taste test?
Ooh, yeah. Let me grab this soup spoon.
You gonna use that big one?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
I'm gonna blow on it.
Ooh, hot, hot. Well, it's delicious. I like it. Subscribe if you want to join the Brooke Cooks crew, and then your first name will be after your first name will be Cooks. Actually, not. You'll have your first name and Cooks, and if you subscribe and become, if you subscribe to Brooke Cooks, and you I forgot it. Let me think for a moment. Oh yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, then you'll become a part of a Brooke Cooks crew. And your name, after your name, at the end of your name, you'll be Cooks once you become a part of a Brooke Cooks crew. Thanks for watching. And I like tomato soup time. Have you made tomato soup before? Well, I like soup. Delicious. Let me do another sip of this stinking soup, because there's a little bit in here. This is the best soup of my life. Bye-bye. I'll see you later on Brooke Cooks. To be continued.